Hello, this is Lenka from Supreme Prague. Today I want to take you to the Jewish Quarter. Or is there one? How to get to a Jewish Quarter? We are standing on the Old Town Square. Behind me is Teen Church and Jan Hus Memorial. So behind me right here is the Paris Street. And through that, on the left and right side, stretches the Jewish Quarter. It's right in the city center. Basically, the only way how to know that you are in the Jewish Quarter is on the street sign, where it says Josefov. The Jewish Quarter, Josefov. The Jewish Quarter is named after Joseph II, the emperor, who abolished some restrictions for the Jews in 1780s. The Jews officially have to live in the ghettos between 1215 to the French Revolution, to the Enlightenment time. Here, the ghetto closes in 1848. Then for the further decades, the area becomes overcrowded, however neglected. So the city council decides it needs to be rebuilt. This renovation has nothing to do with the Second World War. It mainly happens between 1900 to 1914. So the only things what we have left of the old Jewish ghetto are the synagogues, the cemetery and the town hall. Basically, this is the Jewish museum, what you can visit with us also with supremeprague.com. Another way how to know that you are in the Jewish Quarter is to find the official symbol of Prague Jewish town, which is the Star of David with the hat in it. Officially, in 14th century, the Jews, as a symbol, as a badge of shame, had to wear, or the Jewish badge, they had to wear this symbol, this hat, when they went out of the ghetto. Through the time, the symbol was becoming smaller and smaller, and lastly, the symbol to be worn was abolished by, who else than Emperor Joseph II in 1780s. Is there Jewish life in Prague? Yes, there is. The community counts up to 4,000 people, and the estimation is up to 20,000 Jews living in Czech Republic. To sum it up, what is actually the Jewish Quarter in Prague? Technically, it doesn't exist. In the city center, we find area Josefov, which used to be the ghetto between, let's say, 1215 to 1848. It is the area where we find the Jewish museum, the 5 synagogues, the cemetery and the ceremonial hall that you can visit. Also, you can visit the Jewish museum with us on our tour, supremeprague.com. Lastly, Josefov is the area where some of the activities of Jewish community take place. And that's all from me, from Josefov today. See you in Prague.